kick back and enjoy our short, sweet, and packed with adventure mini vlog. Take a wild guess. Where could this be?
सीजन तो अभी शुरू होगा. अभी बारिश गिरेगा ना, सब पत्ता उठेगा. अभी छिड़ेगा.
Got it right? You shot it. We are at KAZIRANGA National Park. But first, time to unwind and indulge. Now it's time to dive into the wild, and there it is, the majestic one-horned rhino in the wild. Tracking wild animals the local way. Look who showed up, stunning horned deers. Dashing into the wild with my partner in adventure. And now I'm soaking in every last bit of this wild beauty before we go. Goodbye to the untamed beauty of nature.